This is a grade 1 math and focus tutorial on chapter 13, subtraction through 40 with and without regrouping. Our first problem is a 2-digit minus 1-digit without regrouping problem. We have 37 minus 3. Our first step is to underline the ones. Can we subtract 3 from 7? Yes, we can. So our second step is to identify the 2-digit number. 37 gets broken down into 30 and 7. Our next step is subtract the ones. Here we have 7 minus 3, and 7 minus 3 is 4. Our last step is to add the tens back to the ones, and 30 plus 4 is 34. And we need to remember to restate the original problem. 37 minus 3 equals 34.
This is a subtraction 2-digit minus 2-digit without regrouping problem. The first step we're going to do is we are going to underline the ones, 4 and 2. Can you do 4 minus 2? Yes, you can, so we are going to proceed to the next step. Did you notice that there are two 2-digit numbers? You must break down both 2-digit numbers. 34 breaks down to 30 and 4. 22 breaks down to 20 and 2. All right. The next step is we are going to subtract our ones from left to right. 4 minus 2 equals 2. Then we will subtract our tens from left to right. 30 minus 20 equals 10. Our final step is to add the tens and ones. 10 plus 2 equals 12. Therefore, 34 minus 22 equals 12. This slide is getting ready to regroup for subtraction. In the upcoming slides, we will be solving subtraction problems that require regrouping. The students have learned the mantra, 10 is our friend. When we're grouping, we need to keep this in mind. We know that 26 breaks down into 20 and 6. However, when we are regrouping, we are shifting a 10 from the 20 and adding it to the 6 to make 16. Our number bond will now show 26 is 10 and 16. Okay. 38 breaks down into 30 and 8. Oops, sorry. However, when we are regrouping, we need to shift a 10 from that 30 over to the 8. So our number bond will be 20 and 18.
This slide is subtraction 2-digit minus 1-digit with regrouping. First, we need to underline the ones. So we have 8 minus 9. Can we do it? No. Now we need to regroup. We need to identify the first 2-digit number, which is 28. We know from the previous slide that 28 is 20 and 8. But when we regroup, we shift the 10 from the 20 to the 8 in the ones. So 28 is 10 and 18. Then we have to subtract the ones. Remember that we need to read this going left to right. 18 minus 9 equals 9. Then we need to add the tens back to the ones. Remember, the 10 now is only a 10. So we have 10 plus 9 equals 19. we will restate the original problem. 28 minus 9 equals 19. This final slide is subtraction 2-digit minus 2-digit with regrouping. First, we need to identify the ones. That is 7 minus 8. We cannot do this, so we must regroup. We can only regroup the first number, which is 37. 37 is 30 and 7. However, when we regroup, 37 is 20 and 17. We also need to break down number 18. 18 is 10 and 8. Next, we need to subtract the ones going from left to right. 17 minus 8 equals 9. Then we need to subtract the tens going from left to right. 20 minus 10 equals 10. Finally, we will add the tens and the ones back together. 10 plus 9 equals 19, and we will restate our original problem. 37 minus 18 equals 19. We hope that you find this presentation useful, and we ask that you revisit this presentation as you need it, along with the addition presentation posted earlier. Thank you.